3D printing and design. Three-dimensional printing is an additive manufacturing technique which is based on the addition of layers of materials to each other according to 3D geometric data, allowing for the rapid transition of the designed parts to the production phase. In the 3D printing technique, no materials is wasted and no mold is required as in other traditional manufacturing methods such as plastic injection, casting, and machining. In this method, free-form parts can be practically produced, and the production of the new parts having different geometries can be carried out quickly. Real-world applications. Real-world applications of 3D printing replacement parts. One of the largest growth areas in 3D printing is the replacement part industry. Useful items. Industry-based applications. Professional prototyping, personal, most active technology. Triple fused filament fabrications or FDM, fused deposition modeling. 3D printing used today. Designers or use 3D printers to quickly create products, models, and prototypes, but they are increasingly being used to make final products as well. Among the items made with 3D printers are shoe designs, furniture, wax castings for making jewelry, tools, tripods, gifts, and novelty items, and toys. 3D printing in food. The concept is the same as traditional 3D printing. A food 3D printer picks up eligible ingredients before 3D printing them on the build plate layer by layer. Another option similar to SLS 3D printing is to use ingredients in the form of a dry powder that is then solidified by the food 3D printer. 3D printing in engineering. Using 3D printing, engineers can create new prototypes, even those with complex internal structures and geometries, address problems, find solutions, without ever leaving their working environment. 3D printing in education. 3D printers offers a way for students to truly connect to the subject matter by physically manipulating ready printed teaching aids or by designing boards themselves for K-12 students especially. This hands-on aspects of 3D printing is in the classroom helps improve engagement and participations.